In this book, you have seen that lemon sinks in the glass filled with water, but it floats when we stir in the 2 spoons of salt in the water. In salty water, the buoyant force exceeds the gravitational force. So, we are going to conduct this activity now over here. We have a glass of water and we have a lemon here. She is going to perform the experiment, Dhruvi Mehta. Now put this lemon inside water. What happens we will see. Now it is sinking inside water. Now we are going to put salt. This is a salt. We are going to put 2 spoons of salt inside the water and then we will see what happens with the lemon. Now we have put salt inside water. Let it get completely dissolved. Then we have seen that lemon has come up on the water. Now the experiment which we did in the class, let us see the explanation of that. More the density of liquid, more is the effect of buoyancy. Now what we did, we took first lemon and we put it in the plain water. That is why the plain water has lesser density than that of the lemon. That is why lemon sinked inside water. Now when we added salt inside water, then the density of water increased. Now the density of water is more and the density of lemon is less. That is why lemon floats on the water. Because what is our condition? When we go on adding salt inside water, then that salt water has more density. And that is why, what is our rule? Object will float on the surface of the object which is having more density. Water has more density, lemon has less density. Therefore, lemon will float on the surface of water. And the sentence meaning is, more the density of liquid, more is a buoyant force. Meaning, डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड मतलब डेंसिटी, पानी की जो डेंसिटी है वो सॉल्ट डालने से बढ़ गई. दैट इज़ वाई buoyant force also increased. And the buoyant force means the force because of which object floats. It gives upward force and that is what is called as buoyant force. So buoyant force salt water में ज़्यादा हुआ, इसलिए लेमन केम अप. सो विथ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वी प्रूव्ड दैट मोर द डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड, मोर इज द force of buoyancy. Thank you.